Okay guys, so somebody just ordered slime and I am going to show you how I package it up and stuff. So yeah, so first she ordered, I'm just playing with this one, white lavender slime. Well, actually lavender. So she wants, all these are jumbo. She wants a pink butter slime, but the only butter slime I have is this purple one, and it's mini, and it's, yeah, so I may as well just give that to her. She probably won't end up noticing, like, she's probably, like, really stupid. So now she ordered one is mini. She ordered a mini green fluffy slime. I have two fluffy slimes, like I have this big one and I have this mini one. I don't want her to give her this green fluffy slime because it's really good. You probably can't see it. Yeah. She wanted to jump over. I'll just give her this gross slime. So the next slime she wanted is a blue, well, blue is purple is lavender slime. So yeah, gonna give her this one. It's tiny. Like I said, she probably won't notice because she probably forgot what she got. So yeah, and that's all she ordered. And I told her I would give her, wait, guys, I forgot. She ordered one more thing, which was a jumbo pink fluffy slime, which I don't have a jumbo pink fluffy slime, so I'm just going to play it out. Yeah, and she paid for extras for some reason, so I'm just going to give her that slime. It's not even good, because I ain't giving her any of my fluff. So yeah, now I need to find something to put it in. So let's package it up. And good. She's not gonna get any what it's called, invoice. Yeah. So I'm gonna go send it. A few days later, when she got the package, she was kind of scared because she thought she was a scammer. But that was okay because she didn't care because she didn't pay that much money. So, the next few days she got it. Okay guys, so I ordered a package and kind of scared because I kind of think she's a scammer, but that's okay because I didn't pay much money for it. Okay, so the next thing, the first thing I pull out is, there's no paper in there. First thing I pull out is very tiny, must be an extra. Oh. It's tiny purple one. It's like really small. I don't think this is my lavender one. My purple one. Yeah, it's probably an extra because she probably doesn't see it. Okay, so next thing I pull out is big. Oh, it's probably just a container because, yeah. And my jumbo pink fluffy slime. It's like Play-Doh. Kind of mad. How about let's go through other things because it might just be an extra and it might be all the rest of the stuff are tiny. I'm gonna take them all out. Oh my god, there's only 3 left. Okay, well, hopefully this isn't my pink